My name is Yen, and I know Pokemon starters and my favorites in each regions. In Gen 1, my favorite starter is Charmander. Gen 2, Cyntoquil. Gen 3, Trico. Gen 4, Piplup. I right, Piplup. Gen 5, Oshawott. Gen 6, Froakie. Gen 7, of course, Litten. And that's all my favorite Pokemon in each region. Bye!